This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip versus the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now let me know in the comments below what you think about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip and its form factor. Folds up nice and compact. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Fits in the palm of my hand. I can just cover it up in my hand fairly easily. Now it does make it a little bit thicker like this, as you can see, but that's a compromise I think most people will be okay with. I mean, just look at how small this is, right? Very small footprint. Let me know in the comments below if you are considering this device because of just how small it gets. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and gonna turn on both at the same time here. See which phone has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip versus Google Pixel 4 XL speed test comparison. Oh, what will happen? Ooh! And it looks like hearing the Samsung noise, but it looks like the Pixel 4 XL booted up much faster. Yeah, Pixels, they boot up very quickly. And we are in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and swipe over. These are the apps that I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and as you can see, no recent items on the Pixel 4 XL, no recently used apps on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Everything has been cleared out. Browsers have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Identical. Messages. Not now on that, pretty much the same. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this. Ooh, maybe that was the Pixel actually. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the clock on both phones. Start the stopwatch, leave that running in the background. Chrome on both phones, go. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do a search for, I don't know, it's March, so St. Patrick's Day. Whoops. St. Patrick's, okay? St. Patrick's Day. Go. What happens? Okay, pretty much identical. And I'm gonna just click on this one. And pretty much the same. And I cannot pinch to zoom on that one, so I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna click on the Wikipedia page. Nice and fast on both. Wow. All right. I'm gonna click on, let's see, what can I click on here? Saw something Irish here. Irish whiskey. Let's go. And there you go. Pinch to zoom, nice and fast. Pixel does have a faster display at 90 Hertz. So yeah, the much smoother experience here. Whew, that is quick on the Pixel. But it's not too bad on the Z Flip. 60 Hertz display versus 90 Hertz here. Yeah, in real life, you can't tell in the video, but yeah, quite a difference here. 90 Hertz pinching, nice and fast. This one, the Z is all right. No worries. Calculator on both phones. You guys are the judges. Play Store. Ooh, I don't know. Click on this one. And then click on this one. We're gonna install this app and see which one does it faster. And let's not go. We'll leave it there instead. No time to be installing apps right now. And here's your Amazon. Ooh, I think the Z, just a tad quicker. Let's see, what can I click on? Let's just click on this one. Click on this one. Pretty much the same. eBay, click on that one. You guys are the judges. Both very snappy thus far. Oh, I think the Pixel is out in front here on the Mario run. What is going on with the Z Flip? We'll give the win to the Pixel here. But what is going on with the Z Flip? You know what? Hold on a second. I'm gonna give the Z Flip another chance. Whoops. Because what happened? Why is Gameloft like Asphalt 9? I didn't click on that. What is happening here? All right. Okay, I'm gonna get out of that. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what's happening here with the. Yeah, I'm gonna try that again. Try that again. Go. Loading on both phones. Oh, the Z Flip with the comeback. Yeah, I don't know what happened before. I think that was a one-off. Tap to begin. And look at that, it's faster than a pixel. All right, so you guys are the judges. And then Temple Run 2. Let's see, loading on both phones. Whoa, very close, but I think the Z is ahead. We'll confirm that in a second. And we'll give the win to the Z Flip. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. I think the Z Flip's out in front by a little bit here. And I think it's gonna, yup, or maybe not. Oh! Pixel 4 XL with the comeback. Wow. Okay. Okay, now what is going on with the Z Flip? It's like stuck on this screen. Looks like I'm gonna have to take some points away from the Z Flip. This is the second app now, second game that phone basically crashed on camera. Okay, I don't know about this one. All right, so you know what? In fairness, I'm gonna swipe away on that one, and then I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do this again, see what happens. Not gonna edit that out or anything. Live on camera. Oh, okay, here we go. Z Flip with the comeback. And we'll give the win on round 2 to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So you guys are the judges. Okay, Asphalt 9. Wasn't sure how I launched this game earlier in the video on the Pixel 4 XL. That was kind of weird. Maybe I just tapped it accidentally. I don't know. I'll watch it back and find out. Oh! Give the win to the Z on this one. Oh, what is going on here? Okay. See, this swiping thing on the Pixel on Android 10. I don't know. Not sure if I really like it 100%. Photoshop Express here. Okay, and then it's this image. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and choose the spring because it's almost spring here. I'm gonna jack this filter up all the way, and then I'm gonna click on this on both phones. All right, I'm gonna save the gallery, see which phone does it faster. Go. Draw. Twitter. Maybe a little bit faster on the Z. Instagram. Draw. I don't know what that is. WhatsApp. Very close, maybe the Z by a split second. Snapchat. Very close again. You guys are the judges. So let's take a look at the app switching on both phones. See how they do in RAM management. So you can see everything's in the background. So, by the way, Z Flip is the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. Stock Android here on the Pixel 4 XL. And then we have One UI 2 on the Z. So let's just go ahead and see how they handle the memory here. And then see what happens. Any reloads, any stutters, anything weird. Okay, I think both reloaded Adobe there. Asphalt 9. Same place. Well, I remember I went back here by accident, but the game is still in RAM, so. This one. And a little bit faster on the Z to recover, but no actual reload on the Pixel. Good to go on the Temple Run 2. Mario Time. Good to go on both. eBay, same place. And I gotta say, speaking of the RAM on the Pixel, I think the 6 gigs does make a pretty big difference. Last year's Pixel 3 only had 4, and I think really that was a detriment to that phone's performance. But now with the Pixel 4 XL with 6 gigs of RAM, I think it's making a big difference right now. As you can see, nice and snappy so far. And then we do have the Chrome here. Same place. Clock on both phones. Still running in the background. And then the camera, we'll do it like this. just a tad faster on the Z. We do have the messages here, a little bit faster on the Z. And finally, the phone app, faster on Z Flip, boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on hashtag Team Pixel, rocking your Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL? Do you have a Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL, Pixel 2, the original Pixel, or are you an OG and you have a Nexus 6P? If you like stock Android, you don't like any skins that some of these manufacturers like Samsung or LG, what they put on top of Android, you just want stock, clean Android. You're always on the latest version of the software, latest security patch. This phone now, like I said before, 6 gigs of RAM, fantastic still camera on this, although I think the Samsung phones are a little bit better in video, but still photography, can't go wrong with a Pixel really. So yeah, overall, I do like the Pixel, very nice phone with this orange power button, etc. Love it, man, love it. Or are you a Samsung Knight? Do you have yourself the Galaxy Note 10, Note 10 Plus, the S10, S10 Plus from last year? Are you excited for the Samsung Galaxy S20? Let me know in the comments what you think about this foldable design. Is this something that you're considering? Because check this out. You have your regular phone here when it's in its open state. Nice and big screen here compared to the Pixel, as you can see. But let's say when you're done using it, you're gonna put the phone away. Boom, look at that. Folds up, nice and compact. Fits in the palm of my hand, very pocketable, small footprint. Makes it a little bit thicker like I said earlier, but I think that's a compromise most people are willing to take. Overall, I do like the Z Flip. This is cool, man. This is cool. Anyway, let me know what you thought about this comparison in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.